Welcome back to Tech Vibes. Today we're fixing a Vizio TV with colors that look washed out. Make sure the Vizio TV is turned on and displaying a picture, even if the colors look dull. Take the remote for the Vizio TV and press the menu button to open the picture settings. On the Vizio TV menu, use the arrow buttons to move to the picture option. Select picture mode on the Vizio TV and look at the preset selected. If the Vizio TV is set to vivid, standard, or calibrated, switch between them to see if color improves. If none look good, highlight picture mode on the Vizio TV and switch it to custom. Now scroll down the Vizio TV settings to the backlight option. Increase the backlight slightly to make the Vizio TV image brighter without washing out color. Next go to brightness in the Vizio TV menu. If the Vizio TV brightness is too high, reduce it until shadow details return. Go down to contrast in the Vizio TV menu. Increase contrast a little to restore color separation on the Vizio TV. Now locate the color setting in the Vizio TV menu. Raise color slightly to boost color strength on the Vizio TV, but avoid oversaturation. Go to tint in the Vizio TV menu. Center tint to ensure the Vizio TV doesn't look too green or too red. Scroll to color temperature in the Vizio TV. If the Vizio TV is set to cool, switch it to normal or warm for richer tone. Next locate gamma in the Vizio TV settings. Change gamma to 2.2 or 2.4 on the Vizio TV for deeper color depth. Exit to the main picture menu of the Vizio TV. Now open more picture settings on the Vizio TV. Find black detail on the Vizio TV. Turn black detail to medium for stronger shadow contrast on the Vizio TV. Locate active full array or local dimming if your Vizio TV has it. Set local dimming to medium for balanced brightness on the Vizio TV. Now scroll to the color space option if available on the Vizio TV. Set color space to auto on the Vizio TV for accurate color mapping. Press menu to exit settings on the Vizio TV. If the Vizio TV still looks washed out, check the HDMI cable connection. Gently unplug the HDMI cable from the back of the Vizio TV. Inspect the HDMI cable ends for dust or damage near the Vizio TV input. Reinsert the HDMI cable firmly back into the Vizio TV port. Now check the other end of the HDMI cable going to your device connected to the Vizio TV. Make sure that device is also firmly connected to the Vizio TV. Take the Vizio TV remote and press input. Highlight the correct HDMI source connected to the Vizio TV. If using a streaming stick, open its display settings to ensure it outputs in 1080p or 4K to the Vizio TV. If using a game console, switch to standard color mode so the Vizio TV receives correct signal. If using a cable box, set color format to RGB high for the Vizio TV. If still washed out, unplug the Vizio TV from the wall outlet. Wait 30 seconds with the Vizio TV disconnected. Press and hold the power button on the Vizio TV frame for 15 seconds. Plug the Vizio TV back in and turn it on. Observe whether the Vizio TV colors now look stronger and more balanced. If the Vizio TV is still washed out, go to menu again. Scroll to System on the Vizio TV. Select Reset and Admin on the Vizio TV. Choose Soft Power Cycle on the Vizio TV. Allow the Vizio TV to restart fully. Check the picture again on the Vizio TV. If colors remain washed out, return to picture settings on the Vizio TV. Carefully increase color and contrast until skin tones look natural on the Vizio TV. Switch through picture modes one last time on the Vizio TV for comparison. Ensure you are viewing HD content so the Vizio TV receives a clean signal. If the Vizio TV only looks washed out on certain apps, adjust the app video settings. Once colors look strong again, save your settings on the Vizio TV. Your Vizio TV should now have richer, more natural and accurate colors. Thanks for watching Tech Vibes, and enjoy your refreshed Vizio TV picture quality.